Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy. So today let's continue multiple angles part 11. Question number 49. Prove that cos power 4 pi over 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi over 8 plus cos power 4 5 pi over 8 plus cos power 4 7 pi over 8 is equal to 3 over 2. So let's continue. Solution. Left hand side, we have copied left hand side as it is. In next line, what we will do is we will change this 5 pi as 8 pi minus 3 pi and 7 pi as 8 pi minus pi. Why are we doing this? Because we want to change 5 pi in terms of 3 pi and 7 pi in terms of pi. That's why we have done this line done over here. Thereafter, what we'll do is we'll split the LCM. That is clear to you. We have split the LCM and then just we'll simplify. 8 and 8 cancel, so we are left with pi. Here also 8 and 8 cancel, so we are left with pi. Now before we proceed further, let's recall back some formulas. So we have learned in lower class that cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Similarly, if we have cos square pi minus theta, we can write this as cos pi minus theta whole square, which is ultimately cos square theta. Similarly, cos cube theta is pi minus theta. Sorry, cos cube pi minus theta is cos pi minus theta whole cube, which can be ultimately written as minus cos cube theta. Similarly, if we have cos power 4 pi minus theta, we can write this as cos pi minus theta whole power 4, which is ultimately cos power 4 theta. So this last formula, this last concept we will apply in this line. So here you can check, it is cos power 4 pi minus theta. Let's assume 3 pi over 8 as theta. So again it is cos power 4 pi minus theta. Here also cos power 4 pi minus theta. So in both these terms we can apply this concept. Am I clear? So can you guess what can be written over here? Of course, we can write here cos power 4 3 pi over 8 and here cos power 4 pi over 8. That is what we will do in next line. I hope this is clear. Thereafter, what we can do? You can check, here is cos power 4 pi over 8 and here is also cos power 4 pi over 8. We can add them up. Similarly, here is cos power 4 3 pi over 8 and here is also cos power 4 3 pi over 8. We can add them up. So we have added, and thereafter what can be done? Any guesses? So we will take 2 common from both these terms. After this, what we will do is we will simplify this one. It is cos power 4 3 pi over 8. We can write this as cos power 4 pi over 2 minus pi over 8. After all, when you take LCM and simplify, you will get this one. Am I clear? Why are we doing this? The question must come in your mind. So we have learned in lower class that cos pi by 2 minus theta is sine theta, or you can say it as cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So to use this concept, we have changed 3 pi over 8 as pi by 2 minus pi over 8. So I hope this is clear. Cos will change into sine. Okay. Thereafter, what we will do is we'll multiply here by 4, here by 4. And to balance, we'll write 1 over 2 out of bracket. After all, when you open the bracket and simplify, you will get this thing. Is this clear? Okay. Thereafter, may we write this 4 cos power 4 pi over 8 as 2 cos square pi over 8 whole square. Similarly, we can write 4 sine power 4 pi over 8 as 2 sine square pi over 8 whole square. I hope this is clear. Any confusion? Okay. Before we proceed further, you must recall back some more formulas. So here we have first formula, cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. On simplification of this one, we can write 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Similarly, We know cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Upon simplification of this, we can write 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. I hope this is clear. So this concept and this concept will apply over here. You can check it is 2 cos square theta. Let's assume pi by 8 as theta. So it is 2 cos square theta, and we know 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Similarly, here is 2 sin square theta. Let's assume pi over 8 as theta. So we can use this concept. 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So using this concept, we will come to next line and we will get this one. I hope this is clear. After this, you can check. Here is 2 pi over 8. 2 and 8 can be cancelled. Here is also 2 pi over 8. 2 and 8 can be cancelled. So upon cancellation, we have got this one. Thereafter, here we have got cos pi over 4, which is cos 45 degrees, and cos 45 degrees is 1 over root 2. Similarly, here is again cos 45 degrees, so it is 1 over root 2. So in next line, just we have replaced cos 45 by 1 over root 2. I hope this is clear. Thereafter, here in the bracket, we have the formula of a plus b whole square. Here we have a minus b whole square. These are the basic formulas we have learned in lower classes. So applying this formula, we will get this line. Let me explain this one. It is a plus b whole square. So we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly here, it is a minus b whole square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. I hope this is clear. Now just we'll open the bracket, and here you can check it is 2 over root 2, and here it is 2 over root 2. Here is minus sign, here is plus sign. We can cancel them. So they are cancelled, and thereafter when you simplify this one within the bracket, you will get 3. That 3 will multiply 1 over 2 to give 3 over 2, which is equal to right hand side. So proved. I hope this problem is clear to you now. So at last, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you.